Hey, this is Chris with Paragon Inspection. We are using some of the most modern tools and technology available when we inspect your house to find things that the naked eye cannot find. So for instance, today I'm here in what is really a nice house. In this room, there are no appearances really of anything significantly wrong. However, when we take this thermal imaging camera and we place it over here in the corner by the floor near the carpet, try to get this so that you can see that. All of that blue that you see in the corner indicates water, a water leak probably from the bathroom adjacent this master suite. So we're gonna let the potential buyers know about that, know that a repair needs to be made, and further advise them as they work towards purchasing this home. Give us a shout when you're ready for your home inspection and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks, take care.